Well, hello everyone, and welcome to another edition of Talking Bullion. Well, I'm pretty excited about getting this in the mail. I know I say that with just about everything I get in the mail, because it's always really exciting. But this is something that I haven't bought in quite a while, and it's really only because of the premiums. Premiums have been so high, and especially on these particular coins, these things have jumped up really high. I can't believe how much just a year and a half ago I was getting these for. And I did have to pay for this one, but you know what? I got a really good deal on it. And so why not? You know, premium is going to stay up there. Got to keep stacking a little bit. I figured, let's go ahead and pick one up. It's been a long time, and I love this stuff. So why don't we go ahead and take a look. All right, now I did cut the end off it. I'm trying to, stop from spending so much time to get a package open, but I have not looked inside yet. So let's open this up and see. It's pretty small, whatever it is. Man, it's wrapped up good. Don't want to cut it. Don't want to damage the device that's in there. Alright, here we go. Unwrapping it. Oh, here we go. Got it out of there. Let's take a look. Oh, it's so long since I bought one of these. What is it? It's a Pre-1933 gold coin. See that? Let me zoom in a little bit here. It didn't work out very well, but it's a 1907. Look at that, huh? In pretty good condition. I bought this off the internet, off of a guy who was selling, actually had quite a few of them. I think he owns a coin store. Just trying to look at the wear there. The wear looks to be really good. I'm not a great coin grader, but yeah, it looks to be in good shape. Let's look at the back here. Got that classic eagle. A little bit of toning on there, which is normal for an old coin. Yeah, what do you think? Denver, you can see the Denver Mint down there underneath the eagle, right there, Denver. Pretty nice, huh? Got this for about $100 less than when I usually buy them off eBay. I buy my Liberty coin, and this is $100 less, which initially made me think, what's going on? And any of the online bullion dealers, it's very hard to find these $5 gold coins. They've been sold out for quite a while. You can see down at the bottom, $5, 5D. So I wondered what was going on, why so cheap. So I did quite a bit of research. I looked around. Talked to the guy, I chatted with him privately, DM'd him, and yeah, he pretty much convinced me it was good to go, and sent me some references. So I said, well, let's do it. I'll pick it up, because I'd like to get another one. So there you go. Alright, so because I bought this on the internet, I think the pertinent thing to do would be to put it on the verifier and see how it comes out. Let's turn this thing on, make sure we can see the writing on it. Sometimes your lights block that out. We can. So I press one, calibrate. It comes on gold by default, but we have to pick the right gold, and I think this should be the 90% with the balanced copper is what that means. So we can try putting it on this sensor over here, but I don't think it'll work, but let's see. Yeah, there you go. It does work. Usually you have to fill up that ring a little bit better. And yep, here we go. But let's go over to the wand as well. Let's see if the wand can pick it up. So put the wand on it. Let's see, the wand's going to want me to take it out of the plastic, which I don't mind doing as long as it's easy to get into. Sometimes these capsules aren't easy to get into, but yeah, that came out of there pretty easily. So let's dump it on there and let's try it. There you go. Sorry, my wand wire is kind of in the way. That's within the brackets. That's where I want it. Anywhere within the brackets is fine. Let's flip it over. So there you go. Testing out exactly like it should. Alright, let's go back over to this and let's see with it being out of the capsule what it does. Yep, there it goes. Test fine. Yeah, so I think the rule of thumb is it has to be within that black ring. But obviously just that one side was the only one that came back. Everything else is testing fine. So also depends on where it hits on the ridges back here too. But yeah, I mean really the best way to test this is with the wand. And we see it testing just fine. Alright. Pretty cool, huh? Man, so glad to pick up some pre-1933. This, I just love this gold. I think it's, you know, history of America. Who knows who used this coin, who had it in their pocket. And with the condition of it, I'd say probably not a whole lot of people, because this thing looks to be in pretty good shape. There's really no scratches on it, no dents on it. Well, this might be one of the better ones that I bought. That is a nice looking coin. Huh. Pretty cool, huh? Alright. Well, was able to, like I said, get this for an awesome price. Appreciate the guy sending it to me. He had several to choose from. I think he had about 17 or 18 of them, and he had pictures, but they were hard to tell. I said, you know what? Why don't you just go through and pick me out the best one that you have and send it to me, and I'll trust you on that. And so he sent me a picture of it ahead of time. He said, I think this is the best one I have. I'm like, okay, cool, send it. All right, let's set this thing down. Zoom in a little bit. Well, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. And always remember, let's keep talking bullion.